Good evening, everyone. It is May 12th, 2017. We're doing yet again another Stanley Cup promo spot. 2015-16 Upper Deck V-Cup Hockey 3-box case break. Number 23, pick your teams. So, at the end of the break, guys, I'm going to roll the dice, randomize these lists of names in here. Person that comes in on top after the randomizer will win a Stanley Cup promo spot to have a chance to win an Austin Matthews signed jersey and a lot of other great break credit prizes. So, this is a pick your team, like I said. So here it is. Cup Hockey 3-box case break number 23. Nick K with the Oilers. Try to pull him some Connor McDavid. Troy trying to pull him Last Ball Mojo. Trying to pull everybody else here a hit, guys. So good luck to everyone. Here is the 3-box case. Right here. This blank. Let's cover up the hits. Remember, we have random teams in the store, guys. That is down to 21. Definitely get that random teams done tonight if we really all rallied as a community. Good luck. Ryan Miller, 68 of 249. Vancouver Canucks going to Troy. Wow, look at this patch. 1, 2, 3, 4-color patch. Victor Sedberg. 41 of 249. Chicago Blackhawks going to Heather. Two off the jersey number as well. Nice hit, Heather. Rookie endorsement relics. Noah Hannafin, 39 of 50. Patch autograph. Carolina Hurricanes were sitting up there. Nick K snagged them. There you go. Yeah, they do because they have like 6 colors like on one part of the jersey. There you go, Noah Hannafin. Next one. Ooh. I know this guy. I know this guy. The Show. Connor McDavid. Nice. Nice parallel for the Oilers. And Nick K. Next one, guys. We have Yaroslav Halak. 4 of 12 gold. Nice. For the Islanders, of course, Islanders mojo going to Sabrina. Yeah, first one of those, right, Nick, for you? Pretty nice. At least we got the Connor McDavid autograph. You know what I mean? For now. Last card out of here. Good luck. We have signature patches 43 of 99. Chris Kreider. New York Rangers from 14-15 D Cup hockey. Rangers going to Oscar Yanez. Yeah, I think that's the shadow box of the show. One box, guys. That was a great first box. Ooh. This one's thick. There must be a book in here or something. Don't know who that is, but don't know what it is, but I guess I'll see. Guess we'll find out. Next box, guys. Johnny Gaudreau, 8 of 249. Nick K with the Flames. Connor Hellebuyck, 55 of 249. Winnipeg Jets going to Neil. Next one. Signature patches. Nice 1, 2, 3 color patch. Kevin Fiala. 64 of 99. Going to Nashville. And Darren McKenzie. Should be able to pay for the spot price, I think, now. But at least we got one. Who never know? We can get more. We can get more. Frank Vatrano. Autograph rookie. 179 of 249. Boston Bruins. Nick K called it for Daniel. There you go, Daniel. We have, for the Devils, printing plate, cyan plate, Corey Schneider, 1 of 1 masterpieces. Nice. Going to the Devils and Richard. There you go, Richard. You can get one of these. It is a 1-of-1. Last one here. Good luck. Don't even know who this is, or I mean, I don't know what this is, but we're about to find out. Ooh, it's for the Stars. Wow, look at this. Autograph monumental patch. Valery Nikushkin. 3 of 3 for the Dallas Stars. He's not in the NHL right now, but he's a great player. 3 of 3. Wow, look at this. Insane. Look at this patch. Joe Crow for with the Dallas Stars. See, this is what you could hit for a $29.99 team like the Dallas Stars. Look at that. Look at this. That is a beauty. There you go, Joe Kroll. Hopped on the Dallas Stars. Insane. Alright, that's 2 boxes. Third and final box. Good luck. He doesn't play in the NHL period right now. But he is a great player in the KHL. Alrighty, guys. Last box. Mark Stone, 13 of 249. Ottawa Senators, going to Raymond. Vancouver Canucks, autograph rookie patch, Ben Hutton, 176 of 249. Vancouver, going to Troy. Next one. Wow, I pulled one of these before with the sick patches like this one. Patrick Marleau, emblem endorsements, 14 of 15 for the San Jose Sharks. The one I pulled before had the little stick of the San Jose Shark, but this one has a little piece of the stick as well. Nice. San Jose Sharks going to Andrew. Next one, guys. Five of 35 scripted sticks. Detroit Red Wings, Dominic Hasek. You know, my nephew was named Dominic because of Dominic Hasek. Going to the Red Wings and Daniel. Next one, guys. We have Johnny Gaudreau, 22 of 75. Foundations. Going to Nick K. And the Flames. Last card here, guys. Good luck. We'll have another pick your team later on tonight, and we still have the random team in the store if you guys want to continue to do cup. It's at 21. Very possibility we can get that done today. Chris Weidman, nice. 1, 2, 3 color patch. Ottawa Senators, 102 of 249. Going to Raymond and his Ottawa Senators, who are still in the playoffs. Well, there you go, guys. That was the break. That was a 3-box break of Cup Hockey. Really nice cards coming out of this break. Little recap. locked to 12. That's nice. And the Connor McDavid the show. Noah Hannafin. Sedberg with a beautiful patch. Brian Miller. And the monumental patch. Insane. Of Valerie Nikushkin. Alrighty, guys. So I'm going to randomize the list of names. And somebody that was in this break will win a spot in the Stanley Cup promo to have a chance to win an Austin Matthews signed jersey. So let's roll the dice. 2 and a 4. That's 6 times. 6 times on the list of names right here. Good luck to everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it was a 6, right? 4, 5, 6. Yep, 6th and final time. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I didn't see. Darren McKenzie. There you go, Darren. You have a spot in the Stanley Cup promo to have a chance to win Austin Matthews signed jersey and other great prizes. Well, there you go, guys. Like I said, that was a 3-box break of Cup Hockey. Pick your teams. Number 23. I'll put up number 24 later on tonight. We still have random teams in the store. If you guys want to try that out, jaspyshockeyland.com. I'm Jason, and I'll see you guys next time.